Type of engine cooling system. Engine cooling systems are designed to dissipate heat generated by an engine to prevent overheating and maintain optimal operating temperatures. Air cooling system. Uses air as the primary cooling medium. Heat is dissipated through fins or extended surfaces on the engine's cylinders and head, with airflow natural or forced by a fan carrying heat away. Liquid cooling system. Water cooling. Uses a liquid coolant, typically a mixture of water and antifreeze, circulated through a closed system of passages and a radiator. Heat is transferred from the engine to the coolant, then dissipated via the radiator with the help of a fan. Oil cooling system. Engine oil not only lubricates but also absorbs and dissipates heat. Some vehicles use dedicated oil coolers similar to small radiators to enhance heat dissipation.